I'm John Leonard. I am Research Director at Computing. AI as a technology and its speed of advance is nothing short of amazing. If you think about 4 years ago, I think it was, an AI wrote a poem and composed a piece of music, and came up with a rudimentary cat picture. That's just 4 years ago, and look at what's happening now. AI, of course, is being levered into pretty much everything now as tech companies try and make a profit out of it. And this is where, it may be slightly less impressive. Some of the use cases are a bit nebulous. And then, of course, at the back end, you have all this massive data center build out, the environmental implications of that, the emissions, the electricity prices and stuff. So it's a massive thing. Also the dodgy financial deals, of course, which is going on, which is making it look a bit bubbly, shall we say. It's going to be very interesting to see what shakes down in the next couple of years, I think. We do get a few pitches which are obviously written by Mr. GPT rather than the PR it's meant to be written by. We do tend to ignore those. We get about, I would say, 100 PR emails a day. So those go straight to the bottom of the attention pile, shall we say. So I think it's great that people are using it, but please don't use it for the final stage. I think that should be very much human at the fore rather than just in the loop there. I think a good PR journalist relationship is based on understanding from both sides, actually. So as a PR, you obviously want to represent your client's interest. As a journalist, we're trying to get to the truth as we see it. There may be an overlap. It might be quite a small overlap, but that's fine. As long as we can work on that, that's fine. If I'm interested in finding out more about the technical aspects of AI, for example, or quantum computing, then I'm very happy to speak to somebody at a tech company who's an expert in those things. That's where I'm going to find out. But I won't necessarily want to act as their salesperson. So a good PR understands that balance and how to sort of play off those interests against each other, I think. I think there are a lot more PRs now and a lot fewer journalists, so we're kind of outnumbered. We also do everything by email now and text rather than phones like it was when I first started. But the basic interaction is the same. The good PRs are the ones that can add value to the story, so those are the ones that we are really keen to speak to.